Hey friends! Today we're talking about your daily routine. It's simple, it's useful, and you can start using these sentences right after this lesson.
Stay with us, speak with us, and learn step by step. Ready to improve your English today?
Let's begin your English practice. Slowly, clearly, and together. Good morning, Lisa.
Good morning, Mark.
How did you sleep?
I slept well, thank you.
That's great to hear.
How about you?
I slept okay.
Only okay?
Yes, I woke up early.
Why did you wake up early?
I forgot to turn off my alarm.
Oh no, that happens.
Yes, it happens to everyone.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 5 a.m.
That is very early.
Yes, much too early.
What did you do then?
I made some tea.
Did it help?
Yes, a little.
I also drink tea in the morning.
Tea is the best start.
Yes, it makes the day calm.
Do you follow a morning routine?
Yes, I do.
What is your routine?
I start by stretching.
Stretching feels good.
Yes, it wakes up the body.
Then what do you do?
I brush my teeth.
Very important.
Yes, fresh start.
What do you do after that?
I drink a glass of water.
Warm or cold?
Usually warm.
That's healthy.
Yes, it feels good too.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat?
Something simple,
Like what?
like eggs or toast.
I like eggs too.
Eggs are easy to make.
Yes, fast and tasty.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every day.
What do you eat?
Usually oats.
Oats are healthy.
Yes, good for energy.
Do you add fruit?
Sometimes.
I like bananas in oats.
I like apples.
Apples taste fresh.
Yes, I agree.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I check my emails.
Work emails?
Yes, mostly work.
Do you get many emails?
Too many, sometimes.
That sounds stressful.
Yes, a little.
How long do you check?
Around 20 minutes?
That's not too bad.
Yes, manageable.
After emails, what next?
I take a shower.
Hot or cold shower?
Hot, always.
Same here.
Cold shower is too difficult.
Yes, too shocking.
After my shower, I get dressed.
Do you choose your clothes quickly?
Not always.
Do you take time?
Yes, I think too much.
That's funny.
I know.
After dressing, what do you do?
I prepare my bag.
What do you put inside?
My laptop, notebook, and pen.
Very organized.
I try my best.
Then you leave your home?
Yes, around 8 a.m.
Do you walk or drive?
I walk.
That's healthy.
Yes, I enjoy fresh air.
How long is the walk?
About 15 minutes.
That's a nice walk.
Yes, very peaceful.
Do you listen to music?
Sometimes.
What kind of music?
Soft music.
That matches your style.
Yes, calm and slow.
I listen to podcasts.
Which ones?
Learning podcasts.
That's useful.
Yes, I learn something daily.
That's a good routine.
I try.
Do you enjoy mornings?
Yes, very much.
Why?
Mornings feel fresh.
I agree.
Everything feels new.
Yes, a new start.
That's why I like routines.
Routines create discipline.
And peace.
Yes, peace is important.
Very important.
Do you drink coffee?
Not every day.
Why not?
It makes me too awake.
Too awake?
Yes, too much energy.
That sounds useful.
Not for me.
What do you prefer?
Tea.
Same here.
Tea is gentle.
Yes, very gentle.
After tea, I plan my day.
Do you write your plans?
Yes, in a notebook.
That keeps things clear.
Exactly.
I should try that.
It helps a lot.
I will start tomorrow. What
That's
do
a good
you
step.
plan first?
I plan my main tasks.
Big tasks or small tasks?
Big tasks first.
That makes sense.
Yes, big tasks need energy.
And mornings have energy.
Exactly.
Do you check social media?
Not in the morning.
Why not?
It wastes time.
True, it really does.
I check it later.
That's better.
Do you check social media?
Sometimes.
In the morning?
Yes, sometimes I do.
Does it help?
Not really.
Same here.
I should stop.
Try 1 week.
That's a good idea.
It will improve your focus.
I hope so.
It worked for me.
Then I will try.
Good luck.
Thank you.
After planning, I start work.
At home or outside?
Mostly at home.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it is peaceful.
Do you enjoy working from home?
Yes, very much.
Why?
No travel stress.
That's true.
And I save time.
Time is precious.
Yes, we must use it well.
Do you work long hours?
Not too long.
How many hours?
Around 6 hours.
That's healthy.
Yes, it feels balanced.
What do you do after work?
I take a short break.
What kind of break?
A simple rest.
Like lying down?
Yes, for 10 minutes.
That helps the mind.
It really does.
Do you eat lunch after that?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat?
Something light.
Like what?
A sandwich or salad.
That's healthy.
Yes, and easy.
Do you cook lunch?
Not always.
Sometimes outside food.
Yes, sometimes.
I also eat outside sometimes,
It saves time.
but it costs more.
Yes, that's true.
Home food is better.
Yes, healthier.
What do you drink with lunch?
Usually water.
No juice?
Only sometimes.
Do you take tea again?
Yes, in the afternoon.
Same here.
Afternoon tea feels relaxing.
Yes, very relaxing.
Do you take sugar?
Just a little.
I take no sugar.
Healthy choice.
I try my best.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I finish small tasks.
Like emails?
Yes, emails and messages.
Do you reply quickly?
Not always.
Why not?
Some messages need time.
That is true.
Quick replies are not always good.
Do you take a walk?
Yes, sometimes.
Walking is good.
Yes, for the mind.
And the body.
Absolutely.
How long do you walk?
Around 20 minutes.
That's perfect.
Yes, it clears my head.
I should walk more.
You should.
I sit too much.
Sitting is not healthy.
I know, but work demands it.
Try stretching.
Good idea.
Stretch every hour.
I'll try that.
It helps a lot.
What do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, very much.
What do you usually cook?
Simple meals.
Like rice and vegetables?
Yes, exactly.
I like that too.
Simple food is good.
Do you eat early?
Yes, around 7 p.m.
That's healthy.
Late dinner is not good.
Yes, I agree.
After dinner, I relax.
How do you relax?
I read a book.
Fiction or nonfiction?
Both. Depends on mood.
I like nonfiction.
I enjoy stories more.
Stories are fun.
Yes, they take you to another world.
Do you watch TV?
Not much.
Why not?
It takes too much time.
True.
I prefer quiet evenings.
Do you talk to your family?
Yes, often.
That's wonderful.
Yes, it keeps us close.
Family time is important.
Very important.
Do you call or text?
Mostly call.
Calls feel warm.
Yes, more personal.
What time do you rest?
Around 9 p.m.?
That's early.
Yes, I like early nights.
Early nights make early mornings easy.
Exactly.
Do you use your phone at night?
No, I avoid it.
That is good.
Screens hurt sleep.
True.
I put my phone away.
Smart choice.
I keep it in another room.
That really helps.
Yes, very helpful.
What do you do before sleeping?
I meditate.
Just a little?
Yes, 5 minutes.
That sounds peaceful.
It is very peaceful.
I want to try meditation.
You should.
It looks difficult.
Start small.
Like 1 minute?
Yes, that's perfect.
I will start tonight.
Great idea.
Then you sleep?
Yes, I sleep early.
Do you sleep easily?
Most days, yes.
Lucky you.
Why?
I sometimes stay awake.
Thinking too much?
Yes, exactly.
Try deep breathing.
This breathing help?
Yes, a lot.
I would try that too.
It relaxes the mind.
I need that.
Everyone does.
True.
Sleep is important.
Very important.
We are here to help you.
Every single day.
Stay positive
Stay consistent.
and stay calm.
Yes, very calm.
See you in the next part.
Don't forget to join us.
Take care.
Take care.
Bye.